Welcome to Las Vegas Martin Kung Fu channel. Today, I'm so excited to present you the new lesson.
Training at home made easy and fun.
If you don't have a fighting partner,
That's no problem, because we can help you train at home without a partner. And happy Women's Day to you all. And remember to subscribe and hit the bell button.
today we're gonna present you 5 basics move, 5 different Kung Fu style.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, the first basics we're going to present you is the press palm and push palm. So when you do press palm is for blocking, and when you push palm is attack. All right, so Emily, go show a punch to me. That's simple.
And if you don't have a partner, that's no problem. And we can help you.
Stop
it! You guys gonna work my chest!
What? The second basics we're going to teach you is the famous drunken style. Your both hand hold just like this, like you're holding a cup. And your feet actually move from your toe and make a circle to the heel and come back. Kind of like you lose your balance. And you both hand to hold the cup to make a flat circle. Kind of lose your balance at the good timing to go attack. The way you're training at home without partner, you can find something from your home like this. Your hand just hold right there, exactly like drunken style. And we can put some water right there. And this full of water. And this is a little bit challenging, but also fun. Right? So we're going to start with your both toe up and circle around. Look at my feet and go to the heel. You're losing balance. And your both hand also to move flat and smooth. And your right hand go top, big circle, and left hand, big circle. And you can start walking around. You kind of last balance and you go boom, attack. Good drink, and let's go to the next one.
So the third basic I'm going to teach you is the snake kung fu style. When you have snake, the snake moves very freely. First, you go a small circle, and then you go around, and it goes large over your head. You knee lift, and you put your hand out. And you can move the snake's head, and you can move your body too. Let's have some fun training with the plate. So the plate is really good to practice your hand technique and make sure your hand's always flat. So you want to balance it under your hand, and we're going to do the same movements we did earlier. So you're just going to do a small circle, and then you're going to go far, above your head, and then put your hand out. Let's do some fun challenges and see who can do the most snake movements in 10 seconds without dropping the plate.
Hope you enjoy this video. We have so much fun to teaching you and have so much fun to training at home. And thank you very much, my daughter.
Yeah.
And say hi to the audience.
Hi and bye.
I see you in next video.